Hey everybody, we're going to be doing a quick analysis on gold. Although we don't personally teach our students to trade gold, our focus is more on Forex. We thought it would make a good example to show how to make some technical analysis predictions. Now there's nothing wrong with jumping right in and drawing some lines right off the bat, highlighting what's been going on recently. But whenever we mark up a chart, we like to start as far back as we can manage so we can get a better picture of what's going on. So starting from left to right, you might have noticed a couple points over here that converge on the same line as well as these points right here, which resulted in a bearish breakout. Then it looks like the bulls started climbing upwards in this channel right here, and they eventually broke from that channel and formed a retest over here. The price then made a consolidation here, which resulted in a massive breakout to the upside. Now maybe you're thinking, well, obviously over here it's easy to make these predictions from this information. You might be able to predict a reversal coming down here with the trend, or up here you might have been able to predict this reversal point. But for here, how is it possible to have any clue what's going on with all this extreme volatility? The answer is that sometimes you can't predict what the market will do. But on a lower time frame, you can get a better picture of what's going on and maybe find some opportunities to trade. That's it for the one-day chart. Let's move to the 1 hour time frame. So we're zoomed in now, and you can see these channel lines where the price was following. Then it made a sharp drop and came back up into the channel. We're going to get rid of these 1D trend lines temporarily. So let's start marking up this huge bearish drop. As you can see, the bears just kept gaining more and more power, and the price went crazy for a little while. One thing to notice is this consolidation right here. First, we see a break here from this sharp drop, and then another break here from this consolidation, showing that the bulls are gaining power. And even another consolidation right here that the bulls broke from. It was also breaking from this trend line, which would make the break even more impactful. So we see some huge upside from the bulls here after they broke from all this resistance. Now we brought these channel lines back in so you can see that this was so much power from the bulls that it was enough to bring it back up into the constraints of the channel. Now you might notice a couple other consolidations in which the bulls and bears made a decision and the bulls took control. Also another one here on the bearish side, but again we come back into the control of the bulls. And there's another channel that they've been climbing for almost a week now, and we finally have a break from it over here. Now there's numerous ways this could turn out, and we're going to leave it up to you to do your own analysis on lower time frames if you want to do this trade. But just right off the bat, it doesn't look good for the bulls to keep making upside, especially since when this major channel has been broken already, that makes it very possible it could be broken again, as well as we just saw it hit the top of this channel and make a breakout for a downward wave. Now that's not saying it will finish that downward wave. It could very easily come up and touch that all-time high again, but it's not looking likely that it's going to keep making higher highs right now. Also, keep in mind that this analysis is purely technical. If you have fundamental or economic reasons why you think gold will keep making higher highs or lower lows, you should take that into consideration. It's looking more likely that we'll continue to see some level of downside, whether it touches the bottom of this channel again or whether it continues down and breaks from the channel like we previously saw. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more tutorials and analysis like this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check out our Instagram page if you want some good daily tips and strategies in your Instagram feed. If you're really serious about getting started, you can head over to proforextrades.com, where we have experienced mentors who can help you get started and answer all those hard questions that are keeping you from getting started, as well as different training materials like our strategy ebook and training video library. Thanks for your time and best of luck out there.